Welcome back. We want to dig a little bit deeper into the big headline of the past hour. And that, of course, is that Jeff Bezos, he's stepping down as CEO. He's going to become executive chairman of Amazon. Andy Jassy will be replacing Jeff Bezos. We want to bring in Dan Howley for his reaction to all this. And Dan, this is something that Adam and I talked about earlier in the hour. But the one thing that stands out to me is the stock reaction. You would think that shares would be under pressure, yet shares are actually higher on the heels of this news.
Yeah, I think Brian Sanzi actually pointed this out earlier, but Andy is obviously someone who's been at the company for some time. And the big driver for Amazon is AWS, Amazon's web services. And he helped get that off the ground and has been steering it to the growth that it's managed to reach. It's the #1 cloud provider in the world at this point, public cloud provider. So I think people look at that and they realize that AWS has much higher margin than the actual retail site that Amazon operates. It's been the driver, and so they're happy with that decision. I think Bezos is still going to be around. It's not like he's completely disappearing, but he's taking a step back. And I think the fact that we're having, or the company's going to have a new leader who has proven to operate well and managed to put a business like AWS out there and ensure that it's able to operate so well. I think investors are reacting positively to that.
Dan, in your tech journeys, have you ever met him, or at least, I mean, what kinds of things have you heard him say that, make your eyes open up wide?
I haven't had the pleasure of meeting him yet. Hopefully that will change in his new role. But I think, obviously the big to-do being that Amazon was able to basically take this service and make it a must-have for so many different companies. And as a result, we've seen other firms like Microsoft, like Google, like, older firms as well, IBM, the Cisco, all of these different companies recognizing the power of cloud computing as a result of Amazon really pushing it and recognizing that they need to get out there and have their own versions. And so I think that really is the big driver here now, knowing that Andy is going to be taking this spot. It really will be an important turning point for Amazon, but it could also help the company innovate in different ways. The fact that this was something that didn't exist and he was able to help push this into motion, I mean, who knows what we'll see now?